Hi everyone, Show here. I'm pretty excited. I've been having issues with painting, things not blowing out correctly and cracking, and I finally figured out why. It was kind of the dumbest thing, really. I use PPG Multi Pro. That's the white I use. And I'll use the Sherwin-Williams to go as well, but I thought it was my cell activator, and then anyways, I just went through a list of things, changing things, nothing working. I had to redo two Lazy Susans today that I did yesterday. And I noticed my can of PPG white that I was using, and sure enough, the sheen was semi-gloss. And I normally use eggshell. And I know probably I would not have thought it would have made a difference, but apparently the semi-gloss is thicker. So that was throwing all my other ratios of paint, like my puddle colors and my cell activator off. And well, I went to Home Depot and found out that they are no longer selling PPG. It's all Glidden now, Multi-Pro Glidden. It's supposed to be the same thing. But we have two Home Depots in the town I live in, so I went to the other one, and sure enough, they had 5 cans. And they were on sale. They were $3 off. So I'm like, I bought all of them. I did. I kind of felt bad. I thought about leaving one, you know. But then I'm like, nope, taking it. I did get a can of the Glidden Multi-Pro, so we'll see. I'm going to try it. After I get past this festival, I don't have time to do anything else right now. I don't have time to redo stuff right now. I'll say it that way. But I'm going to try and see what it does. So we're going to do this. I believe this is a 14-inch. 14-inch. Yep. 14-inch Lazy Susan. Just kind of keeping it simple with some colors. Just some contrasting blues. This is Color Art Purely Pigment. This is Lagoon Blue. Now the Purely Pigments are just that. They're just paint pigments, and then you still just mix it with your normal pouring medium, and there you go. Comes right out. As you can see, it's pretty vibrant. I guess working with the pigments, all these are thick. I just opened these. Sorry. Working with the pigments where there's the little bit of the shimmer and the flake in there that kind of gives it a little bit of a oomph to it, I guess you could say. Let me just check these while I'm here. So it's kind of different for sure. It's more like, it is just like painting with a paint. So unless it's a metallic paint, you're not going to get that same shimmer as you do with a pigment. So I did one this afternoon after I resolved my issue. And I just did three colors. Maybe 4, I don't remember, but they were all, except for one, they were all paints. And then I'm like, wow, this looks kind of boring compared to what I've been looking at the last couple of days. All right, this is Belize Blue. This is actually for resin, but I've used others before, so we're just gonna roll with it, you know? Why not, right? All right, Tropical Splash. This still feels thick, but it's not. Tropical Splash is another Color Art. I have a gazillion Color Art Primary Elements, Bling It, Purely Pigments. I wish I had the time just to sit there and mix them all up and see what the colors really are, because looking at the powders, not always what comes out of the jar. So, let me get this out of the way. Since this is tall, it will send some paint flying. All right, Prussian blue cell activator. Let me move this back a little so we're not all wobbly on one side. See, I feel very relieved. That's my that's my story. There's a gazillion bubbles. This might make a nice little swipe, huh? I don't know, what you think? Swipe or blow it out? I'll blow it out. I'm still contemplating. Blowing. I probably shouldn't put so much, but I like it. Oh, that's a chunk of something, huh? Well, that's just not going to work. It'd be all right. It'll spin out and spread. I guess I should have tried and picked it out, but something dropped in there. Just waiting for it to go back. To do baby spins. This is, oh, I got a hole in my glove. This is not the best spinner to use for this size. It's not a cake spinner. think my cell activator is too thick now. If you can believe it. If I can believe it. I have to go back and look. I'm just making sure there's nothing here that I really don't like. There's not really much paint left, so yeah. Minimal. I'll spin this way once. Nope. I'll go this way. My other spinner's like a 21-inch Lazy Susan I bought years ago, and it's got the sounds like Wheel of Fortune, and this is so quiet compared to that. All right, I will get you in for a more close-up. Kind of feel like this was just too quick and easy. It's very very tropical, very beachy. And the cells are good. We have multiple that have multiple shades, so I'm good with that. It's kind of bugging me, but let's see if I can pull something through. There. Put another spin. Kind of settle that paint back in. Well, all right, here she is. Thanks for watching. Have a great day or evening. Be safe out there. Go mix it up. Bye now.